Hey guys, welcome back to Gravy Beauty. In today's video, I'll be recreating Dua Lipa's eye makeup from the Grammys. So first up is an eyeshadow base. I'm going in with the P.Louise base in shade Rumour 1. I'm going to apply this all the way up to my brow, and the brush I'm using to apply this is the MyKitco brush, and it's the 1.5 small shadow brush. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the bperfect Carnival Love Tahiti palette, and I'm going in with the shade Hibiscus. To apply this, I'm using a 239 brush by M.A.C. This brush is amazing for packing on colour. Also, it has a dome-shaped tip, so I can get right up to my crease really easily. To blend the eyeshadow out, I'm going in with the shade Bear from the same palette. For this, I'm using the MyKitco brush 1.12 Pro Tapered Crease. And with this brush, I'm just feathering backwards and forwards in a wind wiper motion to blend out my crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Pearl because Dua Lipa's eyes looked very glitzy. To apply this, I'm just using a 239 brush by M.A.C. Then to make my eyes extra sparkly, I'm popping on some NYX glitter primer, followed by some Reflex glitter by M.A.C. in the shade Red. Then for my eyeliner, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. I marked a straight line from the edge of my lash line to create a wing. I'm then filling in the top of my lash line to the point where I meet the end of my wing. Once I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and colour in my wing. I'm also going to make the eyeliner on my lash line a little bit thicker. This bronzer is also by M.A.C, it's called Give Me Sun, and I'm still using the 129 brush. To outline my cheekbone, I'm just feathering backwards and forwards from my earlobe to the corner of my mouth. I'm then doing a number 3 shape with my brush just to make sure everything's blended in. For my highlighter, I'm using C-Pop by Becca, and to apply this, I'm just using a fan brush by M.A.C. Also going to use a pencil brush just to pop some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to pop on some lashes. These are M108 by Eldora, my absolute favourite style. For my blusher, I'm using Margin with a 129 brush. Both of these are by M.A.C. Dua Lipa's lips looked very natural, so I'm just going in with Soar lip liner by M.A.C to outline my lips, as this is the closest colour to my natural lip colour. To keep my lips looking natural, I'm just going to pop some lip balm on top of this lip liner. This is Hot Pink Lip Balm by Paw. Never forget to mascara your natural lashes so they blend in with your false eyelashes. It looks like Dua Lipa had some colour on her lower lash line, so I'm just going in with the shade Hibiscus again on my lower lash line to give it some depth. Then I just need to mascara my bottom lashes and I'm done. Quick outfit change too, just to make the effort. Dua Lipa looked absolutely stunning at the Grammys. I had nothing sparkly to wear, I'm afraid, but I did get changed for you guys. As always guys, I hope you liked the recreation I've done of Dua Lipa's makeup from the Grammys. If you did, pretty please just like, subscribe and comment. Let us know what you want to see for any future tutorials and we will get filming for you guys. Take care for now and thank you so much for watching.